Habai kiran bikinong patai kubor uba Preston tensong uloong baga sarkar jela kan lek regap teng yaki kunhon seng bhalang ki belum pisabe an nikinong khai. Bar ula kiran nikane kade helor kijing sapriang ki kubor baki dor jang kireset ki bal ai daki ka artli ki seng bhalang ki belum khajna be an ba dawa pisa nikinong khai he yodo. Ki bagan thop ya ka Nyau Trap National Youth Front, Nyau Trap National Youth Movement, ka Po People's Movement, ka Nyau Trap Aceh National Movement, kan thop ru ki seng bhalang ki bam ju asngo. Kiba kentup iki klor Nyau Trap North Federation, Nyau Trap People's Define Alliance, Nyau Trap Khasi People Movement, Nyau Trap People Youth Organization, Nyau Trap National Youth Council, Nyau Trap Youth Federation, bat ke United Khasi Council. Uba Preston tensong uloong bula dapta iki bot penyak distrik kentup yo superintendent ki pulet bagian lek yakran ya barok kinong khayi ki badan hayaudo badakaleng ki jaka bagi ban pentep ki pulet lara dan kano ke jing dawa pisa kenang bagi pulet ki nyok ban lek ya ke badan kam na kaliang superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula kentu kinong khayi nong shong dukan bagian mi khmat ban pentep ki bor pulet habadan kano ke jingwan num pisa ne jing dawa pisa bean. Superintendent ki pulet 8 pauru bagi nong khayi ne nong shong dukan ki lak bandon ya ke jing septiang re ulo kular pat bagi pulet kin bure ya ki kerteng jong kito ki ba ai ki jing tep.
Yeah, see, as far as this slips or demand note or whatever you call, the law is there. The existing law is always applicable. So I've already instructed our district administration, including our SP, to communicate to all the stakeholders, not only in Yaudu alone, but in the entire state. If they have any kind of doubts or if they have any kind of threat pertaining to the donation or pertaining to the forced, I should say, forced subscription to be made by the concerned shopkeeper or whatever, they should not hesitate to report to the police personnel anytime, any moment, so that action can be taken.
Yes.
So that is my request to all the concerned. Please make sure, don't hesitate at all, don't have doubt. You can even just call, just over phone. We already have a standing number phone, emergency phone, where you can anytime call us and we will respond.